Peak Performance South in one. Fraser, actually Fraser from Canton Cougars will be in two. Booker from Peak Performance South in three. Sanders from Police Athletic League in four.
Here's the second heat of 11 and 12-year-old boys. Lane 2, Joshua Frazier, Catonsville Cougars, Terrence Booker, Peak Performance South, Zamari Sanders, PAL Allendale, Ramey Tita, Triangle Champions, Jordan Boney, Bull City Express, and Combes King, Team Kentucky Elite. Sanders and Boney are both sub-13s. And we're underway. Strong start on the outside. That is King. And pretty good battle here. King's hanging on. Got a late surge from Sanders and Boney. But it was Combes King, 13:05. Fastest time so far. And Sanders right with him. Zamari Sanders, 13:08. And Boney, 13:12. It's a pretty strong-looking group there. 4 sub-13s.